Welcome to the unboxing video for the Glock 17, 22, and 31 Serpa Sportster belt holster, right-handed, made by BlackHawk products, manufacturer number 413500BK-R. It is a gunmetal gray holster body with a black Serpa auto lock release. It has passive retention adjustment screws, reinforced full master grip and superior draw techniques. It has an immediate retention and audible click upon reholstering for security. The speed cut design allows for a rapid draw and reholstering while keeping your eye on the target. It includes a paddle platform only. It fits a Glock 17, 22, and 31 model. It is a level 2 retention holster, and it is right-handed. We're going to open it up and take a closer look. There's your holster and your paddle. It does come with your paddle hooks for belt adjustment, and your instructions are in there. It also comes with a registration card for your holster. Again, this has been the unboxing video for the Glock 17, 22, and 31 Serpa Sportster belt holster, right-handed, made by BlackHawk products, manufacturer number 413500BK-R.